Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're going to look at how to create email templates in Gmail. So these are really handy, especially if you're answering the same questions for your business each day. You can create an email template for each question or inquiry, which will save you a lot of time. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So in your Gmail account, first of all, you have to turn the template function on. So to do that, you go to the settings tab, see all settings advanced, and then the second one down, you should see templates. So you need to click on enable and then save changes. So now when I create a message, I'm going to show you a template I already have and show you how easy it makes things. So to find your templates, you go to the three dots, which is more options. Click on that. Then after you've turned templates on, you'll see a templates tab. And this is one of my templates I've created about delivery time frame. So see, I just click on that and the message goes in and I can edit it however I need. So to create another template, all you have to do is, just going to delete that. So I've been lazy and I've just used ChatGPT to create me a template for like cold outreach. If I was trying to find, new freelance writing clients. So I'm going to put the subject in, then I'm going to copy the rest of the text I want to use as my template, and I can edit all the other bits when I send a message. So once I'm happy with my template, I'm going to go back to those three dots and go to the template section and click on save as new template. So you need to give it a title. So I'm going to leave that in freelance writing, or I might put in freelance writing cold outreach, or you can put in whatever you think is suitable. Then I'm going to save that. So now if I delete that and I want to use that template again, all I have to do is start a new email, click on templates, and I've got my different templates here, so I can click on one of those when I need to use them. So it's that easy. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you soon.